Dear colleagues, Namaskar. We will be discussing about the school-based assessment. School-based assessment is the assessment conducted at the school level for the benefit of students. Under the school-based assessment, we can use multiple tools and techniques. What is tool and technique? Observation is a technique. Observation schedule is a tool. Observation is a procedure. Observation schedule helps us in conducting observation specifically. When it comes to school-based assessment, we can use multiple tools and techniques such as self-assessment, peer assessment, group work assessment, portfolio assessment, authentic assessment, anecdotal records and other various tools and techniques. We are also familiar with the fact that CCE is conducted at the school level, but largely the data is provided to the higher ups. Under the school-based assessment, assessment is conducted at the school level by the teachers and students themselves in order to improve the performance of students constantly. So, this is the basic difference between the school-based assessment and other forms of assessment. When it comes to school-based assessment, there is a lot of flexibility for students, teachers and also the schools in conduct of the assessment. Supposing the teacher is not available for a particular period of time, why the assessment should be conducted at the same time for all the places, irrespective of whether the teaching learning has happened or not. So, in this case flexibility is required, so that when teaching learning happens, then only we are conducting assessment. This is one possibility. The other possibility is that assessment can happen during the learning, so that students can improve their performance. This is not possible with the external forms of evaluation in the form of examinations, etc. So, that is another advantage of school-based assessment. When it comes to school-based assessment, it also provides transparency. Students can see for themselves how they are progressing over a period of time. In fact, it involves a participatory approach. The reason because students can actively engage themselves in not only teaching and learning, but also assessing themselves. So, that way it provides opportunity for having transparency. They come to know how they are being assessed, on what parameters they are being assessed, so that they can have active engagement. And another possibility and advantage of school-based assessment is that there is scope for autonomy to the schools and teachers conducting the assessment. This is also very important. The reason because there are different forms of assessment and evaluation which are conducted by other agencies. The school-based assessment is complementary to these forms of assessment, in the sense it provides as an internal mechanism wherein the students can monitor their own progress against the external standards, parameters. Another possibility is linking of the learning outcomes with the assessment. As we are all aware that learning outcomes have been developed at elementary and secondary level, and these learning outcomes act as guideposts against which learning has to happen, and through school-based assessment the teachers and students can monitor the progress of learning that is happening against each learning outcome specified at different levels of school education in different subjects.